No, I should be thankful that मैं कुछ आप लोग के काम आ पाया. I feel that way.
That is, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, everyone here, you all can jump into the conversations, give your feedback, give your good points, give your bad points. We are here to listen to you, and this is because so that we can make the next webinar interesting and more useful to everyone. Anyone having any suggestions, any doubts, clear them first, and then we'll start with the videos. Kamya, please start recording. Aditya Agarwala, yes, you are saying something. You unmuted yourself.
I wanted to know what was the total number of registrations today? The final count is.
The final count was around 1900, 1900. Around. I don't know.
And
I don't know. Like
the lag in the lagging in the video. Some of us could see. Some of our users were sending me the screenshot that yes, I'm able to see, but maximum of them were not able to see. There was a huge lag in the software because we tried thrice.
I don't know if this software couldn't handle so many attendees at a time. I don't know. But even I could see when I played, even Rushil played, even Kamya played, we could see the videos playing on the screen and on the phone. But
Vivek, we enjoyed the video through your facial expression.
Yeah.
I didn't know that most of you couldn't see that, and I was actually enjoying with the video. Ojas, my friend, Ojas Chitnis from America. There are 3 chairpersons in the world, and 2 are here, myself and Ojas. Ojas, if you can just start the video and say something. Anand bhai, Ojas, he is from CA1 USA, and they are having this constitutional webinar in, I think, 4 hours from now.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so sorry about that. Lion Vivek, we love you. Currently, my multiple district convention is also going on, so I'm kind of splitting between the 2 calls. But I want to congratulate you and your entire team on organizing this webinar. I think that all of us are very, I'd say, with a bit of envy that we have the entire audience that you're able to bring out each and every time. It truly was a wonderful webinar, and I think congratulations to all of you. And I can't wait to see all these performances because I think I'm very much looking forward to seeing some great Indian music in the next few minutes. So congratulations to all of you, and I think I can't wait to see everything else that you guys do. Take care.
Thank you so much, Ojas, and all the best for your webinar. Definitely, I will motivate people from Isame to join the CA1 webinar as well. Anand bhai, these people are tremendous. They like we organized this thing for the very first time, but they at a club level, they are inviting international presidents, vice presidents, and people like them for as speakers for the Leos of USA. This is a great thing. And Ojas is just 18 years, and he turned 18, I think, not more than 15 days back. So, and he is the chairperson of the membership experience committee. Great going, Ojas. He is the son of Mahesh Chitnis. Anand bhai, you know him.
Yeah. So I know Mahesh very well. Yeah.
Yes. Mahesh bhai is a very dear friend of many of the Indians. And Ojas, all the best for your webinar. Any help needed, let me know. We'll try to fix the GoToWebinar before your event starts. So we'll talk with the LCI.
Thank you so much. I'll be sure to let you know. And I actually, unfortunately, have to leave the call now. But thank you all so much, and have a great day. Great rest of your day.
Thank you, Ojas. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Rishabh Bajaj, yeah, are you saying something or am I listening something?
I was saying something. I have suggestion here in the after party. Namaste Anand bhai. Very happy to see after so long. And a suggestion I had for the after party, because since this is an after party and everyone has turned off their video, so that we can see each other now, because in the Zoom GoToWebinar we were not able to see each other. So this is an after party, so we can all turn on video so that we can all see each other after so long and experience the true Isame. Because as Vivek bhai said, due to this pandemic situation, we converted it to the video format. So let's enjoy this. And I can see Sai also nodding his head. So Sai, hi, after so long.
Hello Anand sir. So I was actually coming to that suggestion. I wanted to ask everybody to come on video, but then mere bhai aap aa gaye, so good.
Also, I request host and co-host to enable the chat. There are a lot of introverts here who talk on chats more. That has been an experience.
Kamya, you are the co-host, I guess.
I've done it. I've done it.
I can see now Sneha also turned on her video. Hi Sneha.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. I was just in the birthday celebration, so I could not switch it on. I'm still there. If you people want to be jealous, I'll show you the cake.
They have double party.
Yeah, people can enjoy the cake from here. So I
Very
was
nice.
pretty busy, so I'll just get back to you in just few seconds after this is over.
Yes, Sneha. Fernando is trying to say something. Yes, Fernando.
Yes, it's my first conference, and I'm from Sri Lanka. It was a great experience for me and one of my colleagues, right? So I wish all the best for the new elected members, and it was a pleasure to withstand such a conference with you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Fernando. The new ones are not elected. They are appointed by the LCI. The advisory panelists are never elected. The highest, okay. Mera problem hai, whenever I start a speech, I just start giving out information like a panelist. I was saying the highest elected position is the MDP. The multiple district president is the highest elected position, and the highest appointed position is the Leo advisory panelist. Well, this position is considered above the MDP, but this is the appointed position, selected, not elected. Yes, Arslan, you're saying something, my friend.
हेलो विवेक भाई, नमस्ते, अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू ऑल द फेलोज। पहले तो बहुत बहुत बधाई हो विवेक भाई आपको, रंजीत भाई आपको, पार्वती मैम और हसीता सर को। It was a wonderful webinar. I really enjoyed it. It was truly a different version of webinar we had before, and truly all the Leos and all the participants really enjoyed it. जो इसमें decisions हुए वो तो बस फिर mind blowing थे। मैं अपनी वीडियो ओपन नहीं कर सकता। I can't open the video right now because we have like a storm outside my room and there is no light here. So बस मेरे को बधाई देना है और बहुत मजा आया। ये truly different था पिछले वाले से। मैंने आनंद सर को सुना, मतलब कि सर we are calling you very soon in Pakistan for a session and exclusive करेंगे आपके साथ विवेक भाई। वो हमने इसमें मुझे आपकी सपोर्ट चाहिए होगी, आपने इनको मना के लेके आना है हमारे पास पाकिस्तान। तो हम एक सेशन भी डेफिनेटली जरूर करेंगे पाकिस्तान की तरफ से। और वंस अगेन मैं देख रहा था अभी ऋषभ इज आल्सो हियर एंड ऑल दी लियोस हु greeted me for becoming the Leo of the Year award for achieving that title. Thank you so much for your love and heartiest congratulations to मेरे बड़े भाई विवेक भाई। आपसे सीख रहे हैं और सीखते रहेंगे। Once again congratulations and to all of you and love from Pakistan.
Thank you, Arslan. Congratulations for being the Leo of the Year. This is the most reputed award in the books of Lions International. You have to get selected from your club, from your district, and then only one person gets to go forward from the multiple district, and you are that person. And I must tell everyone, Pakistan, he is the multiple president of Pakistan, and Pakistan, the whole country, is a single multiple district. Like in India, we have many MDs, but Pakistan is a whole country as a multiple district. So being the Leo of the Year, great thing, Arslan. And Arslan himself has done a lot, many things this year, turned the tables upside down when it comes to the Leos of Pakistan. Huge, tremendous events, very good lineup of speakers for his events. The district schooling or district conference they had, superb. Yes, Shadley. Or should I? Chalo, let's see a video right now. Okay, wait. Let me know if this time it shows up, please. Chat is open.
Vivek bhai, I don't think you are having a very good day with the videos.
Yeah, Rakshit, Janad, I'm not having a very good day at my home also. I have no power, I have no internet. My internet was recharged by Kamya during the webinar. My phone internet. I don't know what is happening today. But anyways, we'll enjoy the video right now. Thanks to Anand Bhai for this
But it's
after
12
party.
a.m. so I think ग्रह बदल चुके हैं, all should be fine.
हाँ, सभी का नया पैक चालू हो गया. Anyways, चलिए. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
चलो अच्छा है.
Yes.
Okay, so this was the one जो हमारा flagship video था. Shrestha, you are here with us. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, bhaiya, I'm here.
Shrestha is the violin girl, and she is actually COVID positive right now. Shrestha, how are you feeling? And how's everyone in the family?
After this video, I'm literally feeling a bit better now.
Okay, thank you so much, Shrestha. She is a great help to us, and she helped us in a great way for putting together the whole video thing. कौन बोला? क्यों बोला? कोई बात नहीं. Okay, anyways, Kamya, did you get the messages? Please see the WhatsApp.
Yes, on it.
Okay, so the next video, I think we have from Pakistan. Wait. Video from Nepal. Yes, we'll be playing video from Nepal. Please wait. Okay. स्क्रीन दिखा है या नहीं दिखा?
नहीं दिखा.
यार रुक जाइए.
If you don't mind, can I speak, Vivek?
हाँ जी बोलिए. Yes ma'am. Anita ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Good evening, everyone. And I think it was an amazing session today. And myself, line Anita Gali, Zone Chairperson and Leo Club Advisor for 3 clubs. These 3 clubs, our home clubs, Samaritans and Given, and they all are rocking. I'm so happy being a Leo Club Advisor. From July 1st, like I've been designated as Leo District Chairperson. And I'm really so happy to take up that post because काफी Leos मिलेंगे मेरे district में मुझे जिसके साथ मैं मस्ती कर सकती हूँ करके. So looking forward to you all and my compliments and congratulations. Kumar, he's from our multiple district 320, and my hearty congratulations to him. And Vivek, we want a session from you, and definitely in the month of June, before you leave, I want for my district Leos And if I know, of course, multiple also will join us. So definitely we are going to have one session with you and Neil Kataria also. Sneha also from 317. So there are many whom I'm planning to have this session. I want all yours to rock in Isami. Thank you so much, guys. Actually, tomorrow we have our district RCCC training where I'm also one of the faculty where I have to go and speak about Leo clubs and all. So bye-bye, good night. I can't stay back, but until now I was here only whole from 9 o'clock to now. Thank you. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity.
Thanks a lot. Thank you for speaking up. She's actually the energy bomber for multiple district 320. And no, nothing. We don't call her a lion. She's a Leo with us.
Yeah, my energy suits with goes with Leos only, young generation. Because our lines and all, once I say a namaste, they all will be, they'll come out of this thing, they'll be dreaming in the meetings also many times I've seen. So I just go and make them to wake up. Okay. So anyways, I'm enjoying, and there was a lovely team from multiple district, and Sai Tej, Pratyusha, Shilpa. We were just had a great, lockdown. What has done for us means a great connectivity with the Leos, and I could know where my energy should flow. That was a clarity which I got in my entire period. I felt so. So they gave me that clarity that I should be with Leos. Okay, thank you. And after 1 month today at this time, I may be smiling and talking because I was going through a lot of depression due to known deaths and all. And after a long time, I'm speaking today. After 1 month exactly, again. So after 18th April today, I'm speaking like this. Okay, and at this time, that too. Okay, thank you for making me smiling and making me to speak again. Thank you.
That's very well understood, Anita. That's really great.
Thank you so much, Andy.
Anita, your positivity is so contagious. Seriously. Thank you.
Sir, I should say you're bombarding. Oh my God, I saw you in one of the, daily the one session.
FDIR. Oh my God.
FDIR also I was part of it, sir. అది కాకుండా ఇంకోటి బాంబే ఏదో వాళ్ళందరూ జూలేలాల్ అంటూ ఉంటారు. I saw Anand Mehtaji there speaking actually. So it was great, and I'm waiting eagerly to meet you all guys so that we can exchange those energies, right? That's the thing, when you meet people, you really exchange energies. When you sit like this, you really feel low, right? So that's what I could understand. Many people ask me, what is the secret behind your energy? I say that until I reach even Lions Bhavan or to any meeting also, I go like this. Once I reach, I see people, I become at, a kind of terror, Lionism is like entire 1,000 people also, wo sab ek taraf, main ek taraf, I just play with this people over there. So I'm enjoying Lionism because of that. I'm really getting bored being at home. I'm just seeing that everything gets normal very soon. Okay, wish you all a very best and bye-bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I clearly said, Anand bhai, you don't need any introduction. Everyone knows.
Thank you so much. Anand Mehta sir has recognized me and said something like, I felt so happy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anyone else who would like to say something, or should I share the video? Chalo video dekh lete.
Video.
Yes, sir.
Someone writing on the chat like video.
Yes.
Video.
समझ गया. this was from Palestine. First time ever it happened that someone from Middle East could participate in an Isame meeting or Isame area get together. Anand bhai, we actually faced a lot of problem reaching them because as per the rules, we do not get the contacts of the Leos from LCI. But they say, okay, you can go and take them, but we will not give you. So that is the rule. But taking the contacts of the active Leos and finding such talents was really, really difficult. But Middle East is now doing really great. I don't know if Sarah is here. Sarah is the Leo chairperson there. Sarah or Lisa. Anyone, if here, please pop up somewhere. And Anand bhai, everything is done by Kamya. Nothing by me. You know it. Okay, should we play the next video? Chalo, le lete. Kamya, can you share the screen and play the video? You have the videos.
Yeah, shall I take Nepal next?
Done? उठा लो, नेपाल का ही नाम आ रहा है चैट में. फोल्डर में से प्ले कर ले, ड्राइव में से मत कर. हाँ, नेपाल 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 ठीक है, चैट ओके. Kamya, do you need time? तो हम दोनों ऑप्शन, पाकिस्तान और नेपाल का ऑप्शन आ रहे हैं, हम दोनों को हटा के बांग्लादेश प्ले कर देते हैं.
विवेक भाई, लगता है only your luck has improved, not Kamya's.
अरे रे. Okay. Wait, I'll do it.
अरे नेपाल प्ले कर दो, यहाँ बाढ़ आ रही है.
ये नेपाल भी है भाई.
Very big time.
अरे अब तो रंजीत भाई भी बोल दिए now तो at least we should play Nepal's video.
अरे इसका म्यूजिक आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है आपको?
नहीं आ रहा, ऑडियो शेयर कर.
नहीं आ रहा है.
साउंड नहीं आ रहा है.
सब उड़ा दिए थे.
इंडिया में बोलते हैं ना सैटरडे.
When you screenshot जब कर रहे हो, वहाँ पे ऑप्शन रहता है ऑडियो भी चेक बॉक्स में चेक इन करना है. दैट इज व्हेन ऑडियो आएगा.
अरे अभी तो प्ले किया ना वो दूसरा. आज नसीब खराब है, देख मैं बोल रहा हूँ तेज. काम्या, आपका नसीब चालू हुआ?
Almost there.
ऐसे चैट बॉक्स क्रैश हो जाएगा, उसके पहले नेपाल का प्ले कर दो.
क्या है, रंजीत भाई अपने साथ हमेशा पलटन लेके ही चलते हैं. बोले कोई कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहिए अपने को.
I don't need to speak.
पर ये रंजीत भाई की पलटन नहीं, उनकी सेना है.
नेपाल हमेशा
लाख. चलो nice. This was really nice. हाँ, वो हाथ में वो दिया लेके जो किया ना, that was really पहले नहीं थे. I didn't even get to know उनके हाथ में दिया आए कब. And Ranjit, you know what? I didn't see the whole video like till today. When you sent the video, I thought, okay, Ranjit has sent, so chalo barobar hi hoga. And I'm seeing it right now.
It was nice. I had seen. Yeah, it was nice. Amazing work done by our team.
Yes. No, everyone has done a great job. Even Sri Lanka and Bangladesh just recorded it at the last moment. And there was one club, I'm not sure. They wanted to play the video. They applied for the International Leo Day video contest. And they were in the top 10 in the world. I don't remember the name of the club, but they also wanted to play. Till the last moment, the entries were coming. Apurva. Apurva, please go on. I would want to know about the video more.
Greetings from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I'm from India. I am Leo Apurva Dhakad, founder president of the Chojam International Leo Club, the first alpha club of our district. During our first year, last year, we all participated in the Leo Day video contest to just test our fates. Surprisingly, we were the only video to qualify for this contest from the whole of Isame. And we qualified as the 5th ranking in the worldwide in the final results. I'd like to show you all the video, and it would be really helpful for us if you could all take a moment to view it.
आनंद भाई उनको आप पोस्ट बना सकते
हो? Done.
अरे वाह. Apurva, is it there on YouTube?
Yes, I am sharing.
3233, great.
Yeah.
Greetings and welcome to the Leo Club of Choitham International. We here believe in the power of hope more than anything else. The fascination behind the concept of resilience and belief runs through everything that we do here. The very reason for the inception of our club was hope. The hope that we could make something successful in the brief time that we were together.
ये खाली मुझे ही आवाज नहीं आ रही है, नहीं आ रही है किसी को?
आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
नहीं आ रही.
I am so sorry. I really don't know how to.
Don't worry. Chill, don't worry. You can just share the link in the chat box.
I can share. I mean, where do I start this for audio on PC?
No, your audio was there. I think this is the network, which is the problem. Or is it the day? हर एक के साथ हो रहा है. So don't worry.
Is it? I don't know how this works on Zoom. I mean, sure. I'll share the link in the chat. Any comments, anyone? I mean, just anything.
Apurva, first of all, congratulations. The video got selected at such high level, and I being in the panel, I know how difficult it is to reach at that point, because the whole LCI staff sees the video and they decide. And after that, the video is being selected. And this year, a lot of videos were there because at the virtual platform, we marketed it in a huge manner for everyone to apply for the video. So the competition was really tough. Really heartily congratulations. I'll see the video later on and we'll get in touch with that. You can play it in some webinar or something like that.
For sure, we'll take care of this.
Yes.
Thank you so much for the support.
Thank you.
Shall I present now?
तुम्हारा नसीब भी आजमा लो चलो. पाकिस्तान की आवाज आ रही है? पाकिस्तान ऑन स्क्रीन.
रहे ना रहे ये जीवन कभी बनी ये रहे दोस्ती है तेरी कसम ओ यारा मेरे जुदा हम ना होंगे कभी हमेशा रहे तू साथी मेरा ये बंधन रहे यूं सदा ये ताकत तेरी ये कुव्वत तेरी बड़े है मेरी ये दुआ ओ मेरे यार तू मेरा प्यार सदा रहे तू सलामत तेरी मेरी ये दोस्ती यूं ही रहे ता कयामत दिल के है अंदर तेरा ही प्यार तुझ पे है ये जानिसार तेरा जो गम है वो मेरा है गम तेरी खुशी है बहार है तेरी जो जी मेरी वो जी तेरी हार में मेरी हार ओ मेरे यार तू मेरा प्यार सदा रहे तू सलामत तेरी मेरी ये दोस्ती यूं ही रहे ता कयामत तू मेरे यार तू मेरा प्यार सदा रहे तू सलामत
Is anyone among the participants of Pakistan video present here? अगर कोई है तो प्लीज पॉप अप कुछ बोलो अनम्यूट करो.
I guess this is Arzuhan here from Pakistan.
Yes, we are from Pakistan.
Okay. Were you there in the video?
Yes, Leo Arzuhan.
Okay. Is it possible to start the video like you're right now on Zoom?
Actually, it's a electricity issue here, so that's why I can't.
आज सभी का गया वही है.
नहीं मेरा चल रहा है विवेक भाई मुझे बोलो
आपका चल रहा है पर आपका दिख तो आप भी नहीं रहे.
विवेक भाई आयुष हियर.
अरे आयुष भाई बोलिए.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ रात को 1:45 अगर आप किसी फीमेल को बोलोगे वीडियो ऑन करने तो लाइट तो गया वही होगा ना.
But a big compliment to Arzu and the entire team, guys. Superb video done. Superb.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you.
They had this shoot specially done. They got it made at the last moment. So that was very commendable. They were on it. Like, even I think I remember MVP Arslan sir said that they don't generally do this. हमारे वहाँ ऐसा होता नहीं है. But still, as soon as Eid was done, they were on it. And they have done it very well.
Yes, they actually sent a video first, which was a sample, and I suggested a few changes. But then, पता नहीं उनके दिल पे आई, ego पे आई या क्या हुआ? They just hired the professional videographers and stuff, and they made this video. बोले कोई कंप्लेन आनी नहीं चाहिए हमारे पाकिस्तान में से. पाकिस्तान का वीडियो जाना ही चाहिए कोई भी हाल में. So that was the feeling. I really loved that. This was the Josh of Leos which I saw, and even Arslan was involved in a great way. Arslan बोले भाई रुक जा मैं देखता हूँ क्या है. मैं बोला यार जोरदार काम का. Anyways,
आप लोग को अच्छी लगी वीडियो?
Thank you, Leos of Pakistan. You did really well, and getting it shot professionally and stuff. I think इनका खर्चा भी काफी कुछ हुआ है उसमें. I'm sorry we couldn't play it in the webinar, but the video is really good. Thank you for sending it.
वो विवेक भाई वो
Thank you
खर्चा
very
मेरे
much.
को भेज रहे हैं।
हाँ
ये
जी।
मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि वो खर्चा मैं इनको पे करूं। They are just reaching out to me.
Vivek, you like the video?
Yes.
Good.
थैंक यू विवेक भाई फॉर द लव। मुझे तो अच्छा लगा आपने बोला इनके बारे में। आई एम रियली ऑनर्ड। बच्चों ने बड़ी मेहनत की थी एंड वो यहाँ चल गया, इनका दिल खुश हो गया और बस यही चाहिए होता है। थैंक यू।
Thank you Raslan भाई, thank you so much. Yes काम्या, next कौन है अभी? कौन सी है भाई? श्रीलंका। नहीं हो रहा है क्या हुआ? Wait, I'll try. Okay, this was from Sri Lanka. Anyone from Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka?
I think we
Koi
just
nahi?
have one left. Bangladesh one.
Okay, no problem. I think all are done. 3233 is just left. Wait.
जय 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 हो जय 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 फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान बांटेंगे हम खुशियां गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया
Okay, done. All the videos are over. Everything is done. I hope everyone enjoyed. This actually looks like an after party. चलिए अब किसी की कोई final concluding remarks है किसी को कुछ कहना है तो now is the time. We'll be closing the meeting in the next 2 minutes.
Can I say?
जी बोलिए. Yes.
Yes. Vivek Singh Pabla. That was fantastic. As said by so many people, so many participants who have attended here. They are really mesmerized by today's webinar. And the after party, of course, so many of them, they are sleeping and they have missed so much in their lifetime. I tell you, the party of the year. Now, where we have been longing to have a heart-to-heart kind of a thing where, after a successful presentation or a successful event, you have done the best by sharing this Zoom link. And I congratulate you for that. And Lion Anand Mehtaji, what you have given as an example in your speech, that was fantastic, fabulous. And I keep listening to you, I follow you. I think you have so many followers like that, who admire you so much. And they learn so much from you. And thank you very much. And each one of you, Mukesh Kasi, I see you with a wonderful mustache there. Oh, what a fantastic, oh, wow. See, and I see Kamya. Kamya, you're so beautiful. And I tell you, the initiative, what you have taken in sharing the videos, that's really motivating for others. And thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. By the way, Sai Teja, hearty congratulations, Ma. I wish you all the very best. Do not vanish from the screen, after finishing this year. I wish to see you again in the coming future. Okay. Thank you very much. All the very best to you all.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. So Vijay Lakshmi ma'am is another dynamic district chairperson of our 320 multiple. So always ready, always in the foreground whenever there is any support or whenever there is any help required. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Pleasure, pleasure.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And Apurva, I missed on you. Hearty congratulations. I know how difficult it is to make a video, and that too with a theme to impress so many people and to reach on to the top. I appreciate your vision, your view, and the proper way of putting it, the theme, I wish you all the very best and much more in future.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to connect with you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm so happy that you enjoyed the program. That's the base.
Yes.
Thank you so much. And this after party trend is a must for the youth, because the LCI gives us GoToWebinar software to use for the official webinars, and we cannot interact with the attendees. So that's the reason we got this in the first webinar as well, and now again.
Great. Lovely.
Thank you. Yes, Manoj, you wanted to say something. Leoland Manoj, the district Leo chairperson, 324.
Hi, Vivek. Hope I'm audible.
Yes, perfectly.
Okay, thank you. So it's great to see all the well-known faces, starting with Anand sir, Vijay ma'am, and my close connects like Sneha, Rishabh, Sai Tej, and the people from Nepal, Ranjit, Kolkata, Akshat, Sandeep Bhai, everybody. It's great. Unfortunately, I'm not feeling good, so I couldn't turn on my video. Guys, it's really amazing. So, Anand sir, I just want to tell one thing, right? So the moment I transformed from Leo to Lion chairperson, right? So the moment I turned on, the people started calling me uncle, which definitely makes me, right? Oh my God, what is happening around me? But I'm so happy that people like Vijay ma'am or like you, like you are there, right? It always makes me feel like I'm a Leo forever, or in other words, I'm not crossing my age of 30. So I advise my people to keep calling me brother, or in other words, we call it as Anna in our regional language here. So that's great. So Vivek, I know that most of people are appreciating you for all the work what you have done so far. So it's not going to be that case from my end, because you are like a member from a family, right? So it's not good to appreciate you. So we always proud of you for whatever you're doing, and all the best for upcoming panelists. Again, a set of brothers from the family like Akshat and Sandeep. So all the best. And just one information that we do have Leo of the Year, that is Kirti Rakhi from our family. So I thank all the Leos from the district, multiple and outside the multiple, for your support for her to get this recognition. Thanks everyone. Stay safe, stay happy.
Thank you, Manoj. Thank you so much, and congratulations to Kirti for being the Leo of the Year. I am so happy that you are with us till now. I met you at the ISAME forum, and the relation has been increasing since then. So thank you for being with us. Thank you, Manoj.
Vivek, I just wanted to say one thing to Manoj. Manoj, don't worry. We won't call you uncle anymore.
Thank you, Akshay.
Vivek, can I share something?
Definitely, sir. I'm waiting for you to share something.
All right, no, I just want to. I'm feeling very emotional. I'm feeling very nostalgic because एक ज़माने में ऐसे बहुत मस्ती हम किया करते थे. I'm right now getting that feel that wow, I am amongst these young people and feeling very, very happy. I'm sure Vijay Lakshmi ma'am will agree with me that what is one significant difference what we are seeing right now in whether it was GoToWebinar or this, the ease at which you guys have conducted the whole show. In spite of technological challenges, in spite of so many goof up, it was happening at the back end, but still every one of you were smiling. Still you are coping up with every challenges. So as an audience, we didn't feel that you guys are going through a lot of trauma. I know when I was receiving messages from Kamya, from other people, I could feel the pressure.
I think the example of a duck will be the appropriate one, swimming in water.
Yeah, absolutely. So, making things lighter is something what I'm sure all lions can learn from Leos. That in spite of so many challenges, they were still able to, not only survive but thrive. And today, what we see here is a success of that. And kudos to every one of you. I saw a couple of people who are here, who are the Leo of the Year award winners. I feel so happy. That really reminds me of those days when I was being announced, in front of around, I think 1,200 people, the award. It was very, very amazing. And it's a big, big, big achievement that we are getting so many Leo of the Year in Isame, which is because it is not that easy. So brilliant guys, and keep rocking. I'm sure Lions are going to follow you guys. You guys are trendsetters. We feel so happy and proud about that. Thank you very, very much, guys. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the wonderful words. And yes, a lot of things was, many things were going behind the scenes. We know that, but the team we had was really amazing. They handled everything. Like, I had to be in front of the screen. That was compulsory, mandatory for me. But the team working behind was awesome. Rushil or Kamya or anyone, everyone. We have around 10 different groups where we were communicating, and Anand Bhai was a separate group for us. So, that is what I mean. This is a family. We don't get to see, when I am an event manager by profession, but I don't get to see such kind of a brotherhood when we organize events. That is totally different. That is totally on the basis of the money you have. But here, what the relation you have, that matters. That, yes, Anand Bhai, totally agree with you. Thank you. I think we have a video of Bangladesh, which we missed out.
Yeah, I need permission for screen share and then I can.
Anand Bhai?
Yeah, but then
Iske do hai.
You're still
the one. No, I was interrupted. My internet was interrupted, so I was
I'm sorry.
not.
Okay, interruption se yaad hai, there were 3 moments when I was kicked out of the webinar.
Just clarifying, it wasn't me. I was a co-organizer, but it wasn't me.
No one deliberately did that, but I was kicked out. I don't know, because of the network or the software didn't like me today. I don't know, but something happened. And I revived. I came back. Anyways, Kamya, go on with the video. Anyone from Bangladesh? Please write in the chat. It's too late there, I know. But if any brave person from Bangladesh right now with us.
Cynthia is from Bangladesh, is there?
Yes, I see her everywhere. Where is she? She's always there in all the webinars of India, Pakistan, Isame, everywhere. She is everywhere. I see her always. But just like Ayush said, we wouldn't disturb her right now. Anyways, if anyone is still wanting to attend webinars, CA1 will organize it at 4:30 a.m. USA. Similar kind of a webinar, but in their own way.
বঙ্গবন্ধু তুমি আমার সোনার বাংলাদেশ, ভোরের শিশির মুক্ত বাতাস সবুজেরই রেশ। চোখটা তোমার সবুজে ঘেরা বাংলারে লোকেশ, মনটা তোমার বিপ্লবী আর প্রাণটা তোমার দেশ। তোমার জন্য মুক্তিযুদ্ধ মুক্ত মাটি দেশ, তোমার ডাকে মাথা উঁচু স্বাধীন বাংলাদেশ। বঙ্গবন্ধু তুমি আমার সোনার বাংলাদেশ, ভোরের শিশির মুক্ত বাতাস সবুজেরই আমার সোনার বাংলায় ভালোবাসি।
I think that ended on a perfect note.
Oh, lovely.
Very nice.
But, the dance is looking like a bit of it is looking like Kuchipudi of South India. Surprisingly.
Chalo.
Yeah, we expected too much out of these videos, that we are bringing cultures together, we are bringing Leos together, then why not?
Yeah. Yes. It's beautiful.
Anyways. So I guess we will end the after party here. Anyone wanting to continue, please come to me on WhatsApp or on call. I'm still there. Anand Bhai is also still there. Till maybe 2 or 3. And then we'll talk. But anyways, I was so happy that Anand Bhai, today you were here and you were blessings in disguise. What happened actually, just in one line, I'll tell you. The initial Zoom link which we had was limited to 100 people. And when we saw that the videos are not playing and we announced that you need to come to the after party to see the videos, we were 100% sure the people would go more than 100. And at that very moment, Anand Bhai came and we got him. We changed the presentation, we changed the slides, and he at once sent the link, and we are here. He was supposed to sleep right now, I guess.
No.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. The love and
Most welcome.
The brotherhood we get in Leoism is tremendous. Thank you. I earned in this 2 years. I earned this thing in this 2 years, and I'm really happy with that. Thank you. Ranjit, if you are here with us, I would like you to give the vote of thanks, and then we will move apart. I think Hasita sir and Parvati ma'am is not here. Ranjit, are you there? Even Ranjit had net problems. Every 5 minutes,
Vivek,
Ranjit
what you have got in last 2 years is what you truly deserve. It is your contribution which has made you, get all this. And I'm truly believe that when you start giving, you definitely get much more than what you give. So if you're getting so much, it's purely because you are giving so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. I'll tell you, I've earned friends like Leolan Aditya Agarwala. This person, you won't believe, he uploaded the webinar link on his Instagram bio. And this person is telling everyone, click my bio link, and you'll get registered at the webinar. He got around 200 people for the registrations.
Wow.
When
everywhere shines. I was in his district for a training, and in his breakout room, all lions were wondering that you become leader, and this guy took up, hey, I'll become leader. I said, wow, here comes the Leo.
Actually, what happens is this year our district has almost more than 50% of new Leos. and I did not want them to miss this opportunity. So, I tried my level best for them to register, and it was superb. Thank you to all the panelists, and on behalf of 322G, thank you so much.
Thank you. Just like Cynthia, Aditya is also there everywhere. He was even there in the physical event organized by Western India this year. So he has friends everywhere. He has more contacts than I have, than Anand bhai you have, I guess. But anyways.
Wow.
And that's very quickly, like after party is about behind the story. So I had 3 or 4 participants set, but I am personally very biased towards having a flute player because I love it. So I said, I need a flute player, get me. And he got me within 4 hours from his district. So that's the speed of contacts he has.
Because 322G is full of talents, you see. I can see many, we have our district president, Rishabh, our DPRO, Pramit is there. Many of our leaders have joined, and they will acknowledge the magnitude of talents we have, because, we have a cultural history, so it's my duty and it's our duty to promote them in this platform.
Yes, and you were the first one who contacted me that I want my district to represent for some musical stuff. And then Rishabh called me for some other things, and you called, and then we got this flagship performance together. It was a huge thing. Rishabh, you are doing a great job in your district. 322G is thriving, I guess.
Vivek bhai,
Akshit bhai.
Ayush is here. So, I was just saying, we have a slogan, na, ki when there is there's a lion in Lions International.
Ayush, sun. तू लड़की नहीं है, तू अपना वीडियो ऑन कर सकता है.
तो चालू कर. हाँ.
मैं अभी I'm in the preparation mode, so I don't have space to switch on the video. That is the problem. but
hello everybody.
I have to say this, LCI has this slogan: when there's a need, there's a lion. MD322 has a slogan: wherever there's a meeting, there's Leo Aditya.
Wow.
Hello.
Great. Yes.
Thank you, Ayush. Thank you.
Yes, Ali.
Faniyar from Pakistan, Mardan, Pakistan. We had enjoyed, लेकिन जैसे सबको पता है कि टाइम बहुत लेट हो गया और हम तो रहते भी इधर मर्दान में KPK में, तो हम इजाजत चाहेंगे आपसे और आप जारी रखें अपनी जो मीटिंग है, तो हमें इजाजत दे फिर.
That is sweet of you.
Okay जी, अल्लाह हाफिज.
Good night. Have a nice sleep. Pramit ji, आप कुछ कह रहे हैं?
हाँ जी. First of all, many congratulations to you guys for doing this webinar so wonderfully. और आदित्य के बारे में बात हो रहा था, तब मैं बस यही बोलना चाह रहा था कि वो एक ऐसा बंदा है जो हर कोई काम, वो मतलब एक बंदा इतना सारा काम कर सकता है, ये मतलब उससे सीखने वाली बात है. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि he can be everywhere and yet be nowhere. So this guy is something. मतलब तो I just have words of appreciation for him. मतलब so yeah, that's it. That's all I want to say.
Thank you, Pramit. Thank you, means a lot.
One word I would like to say for Leos. See, when Aditya, you're doing such a great job promoting so many, like identifying so many talents within your district. See, in the when we are going to have our international convention in Delhi, why not you guys put up a proposal to have a time for Leos in which Leos will perform with the music or the dance, one item, so that the preparation can start now.
That's a very good suggestion, ma'am. I'll definitely look after it.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Truly said, and I think in the last convention, in the Milan convention also, the Leos had done a splash mob in the first plenary session. So we've been trying to do something or the other as a flash mob or something in the international conventions as well. So we'll try something for the Delhi convention as well.
Well noted suggestion, ma'am. Thank you, and it is a good suggestion. Thank you so much. चलिए अभी let's wrap it up. Ranjit bhai, are you here with us or?
I don't think he's here.
Okay, he just messaged me. उनका भी 5-5 मिनट में नेट बंद हो रहा है. सभी का नसीब आज खराब है, पता नहीं क्या. Anyways, everyone, thank you for being with us. Thank you for enjoying the webinar. Thank you for enjoying the after party, and thank you for motivating us. I am sure Akshit and Sandeep, Ranjit and Azita, the 4 of these new panelists of the next year, they will definitely organize something better than what we did. And it has to be always in the same way. You have to be better than the last one, and that's the way the organization can move forward. Any help, Akshit, needed from my side? Definitely you have Ayush, but if you need any help, I'll always be there. Thank you everyone for being with us. Let's wrap it up right now. And let's talk on WhatsApp. Thank you. Thank you for being with us. Anand bhai, can end it.
Thank you so much, Vivek bhai. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye, guys.
Bye bye, everyone.
Bye. Goodbye, everyone.
End the meeting.
Bye,
Vivek, I end the meeting.
Yes,
Yes, everyone. See you.
You can also join it.
Anji, boliye.
I want to say that I have shared the link of WhatsApp group. So there are several Leos from Sri Lanka, Nepal, Indonesia, Malaysia, Mexico, and other part of the world. So you can join and keep in touch with us. Thank you.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Mughis, Kazi. Thank you, everyone. Anand bhai, let's wrap it up.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.